Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having an amazing day today. As you read by the title, we are doing our first ever Glamlite Foodie box. Now this is the Glamlite Dessert Foodie box. I've never done one of these. I am an extreme advocate lover of Glamlite palettes. I've just never ventured out into their lashes or lip products or brushes or highlighters or any of the other things that Glamlite offers. So when this foodie box came out, I thought, why not jump on it? And I did. So this is a box. It retailed for $45. I purchased this last Friday. Today is Wednesday. It came in yesterday. Slow about checking my mailbox, but here we are nonetheless to go ahead and open this. So let's go ahead and do that because I'm super excited and can't wait to see what's in here. This is, like I said, the dessert box. When you open it, these are the contents in it. The first item I'm pulling out is the Ice Cream Glamlite Parlor Powder Brush. I do believe this was in the Ice Cream Dream collection. I did purchase that palette for myself, and I also purchased it for a friend. I like the palette. It's super cute. So here is that brush. It's very soft. That is what it looks like inside. It's very, very pretty. Like I said, it is very soft. It's got a big face on it. It is not, of course, as big as my Base Blue Cosmetics powder brush, but it's still rather large. I don't think I'll ever find a better powder brush than the Base Blue powder brush, but this one's still very nice and it's super pretty. It does say Glamlite on the ferrule. We do got a couple of stray hairs, but that's perfectly okay. I still am going to wash it before I use it, so that's okay. They retailed this for $14. So the next thing we got is from Glamlite Sugar High. They're all from Glamlite. This is a loose high shine highlighter. This was the exclusive product in this box, I believe, along with the brush. Now, I do know that they came out with a highlighter before. It's in the shape of a conch shell, I believe is how you say it. But this one is a loose highlighter. I did go ahead and open this pre-recording to take off that stupid little sticker that they put on all of these highlighters. I don't know about you, but I've wore more highlighter than I've ever cared to on my clothes. So I did not put on a highlight today just so that I can use this and see what it looks like. Inside, that is what it looks like. And there is what it looks like on the skin. So it's very pretty. It's very shimmery. So let's go ahead and add some and see. Oh, let's add some lightly. I do like a loose highlighter. You do have to be super easy on where you put it. They tend to be more potent than most highlighters, in my opinion. Oh my goodness, that is so super sparkly. Okay, so there is what that looks like. And it's very, very pretty. Okay, so I am so not mad about that. It will go right here on my vanity to use. So that was our second product. Then we got the Caramel Frappe. I believe this is a lip gloss. Oh, I didn't tell you, this highlighter, they retailed it for $14 also. And it is 12-month shelf life. It is made in the PRC. Distributed by Glamlite. And there is, it doesn't tell me how much is in it. Yeah, it doesn't tell me how much is in there. Oh, I'm sorry. 159 ounce. All right. So you don't get a whole lot of product, but with the loose highlighter, you don't need a whole lot. So there's that second item. Then I said the lip gloss. I believe this is a lip gloss. Will it tell me? It's supposed to smell like fresh coffee, drizzled with caramel, and topped with whipped cream. Makes the perfect caramel frappe. Sweet refreshment and gloss. So this is a lip gloss. Okay. Y'all do know how I feel about lip glosses. I am not very big on lip glosses. They have to be a certain formula for me to enjoy them. But this is what it looks like outside of the box. Oh, it smells great. It smells straight up like a coffee. And it's a tinted lip gloss, so that may just make it better for me to actually use. I do have a lip gloss on right now. I'm not going to demonstrate this, but it smells great. All right. And their glosses retail for $12. The next thing is the Donut Lip Glaze. That is what it looks like. So I don't know if this is a lipstick or like another lip gloss. Like I said, I am not very accustomed to Glamlite's other products besides their palettes. Oh, that's very pretty. That is what that looks like. Smells like a maple bar. Okay, so it's just like a lip gloss too. Very shimmery lip gloss. You can see the glitters in it. So maybe I will like it. Then we have 2 pairs of lashes. That lip gloss also retailed for $12. We have 2 pairs of lashes. We have the cupcake lashes and the strawberry lashes. They are both very different from each other. I was super excited about the strawberry lashes online. Now that I see them in person, they are a little big, but that's okay. These are more of a... Okay, like I was saying, these cupcake ones are more of a natural looking lash in my opinion. I know some people never see that. These ones are more of a... When you want to make a statement, that's what they remind me of. But I'm totally willing to try them. I am getting more and more about lashes, so I'm super stoked about them. These retail for $10 a piece. And then the last thing we got in here is the Glamlite Donut Palette. Now, I do have the donut palette. I can say with every palette you get a little card from Glamlite. It always has Giselle on the front of it. She is absolutely beautiful. So I am going to leave this in the package and show you my palette. You do get one with every palette. The Ice Cream Dream, my donut palette, the taco palette, paint palette, cake palette. You always get a card with your palettes. So this is what the Glamlite Glam Donut palette looks like. It does retail for $22. Glamlite has the cutest food themed packaging ever. I just love the way that they do their packaging. This is what it looks like. It is squishy. It is also what I'm wearing on my eyes today. You open it, it does have a small mirror. And then you have 9 shades and a highlight. The one in the middle is a highlighter. I'm going to start with jelly and go around and swatch these for you so that you can see the colors. So there's what they look like on my hand. Glamlite's formula is amazing. There are the next 4. I'm going to go back into frosting, which is this light blue right here. Just for the simple fact that I hardly didn't get any pigment on it. And I do want you to see the vibrancy of the colors. And then this last color and the highlight. There's what those look like. There is our last color. And then there is the highlighter. So there are the colors in that palette. They are very, very pretty, very sparkly. There are 5 mattes, 4 shimmers, and then your highlight in the middle. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I will say that the chocolate color in here, which is this one right here in the pan, looks like a great beautiful brown. It is more of a raspberry red chocolate color, especially when you blend it out. It has a red hue to it. I'm not sure why, but it does. So there is that. So we got the palette, 2 eyelashes, the highlighter, 2 lippies, and a brush. So this retailed for $45 is what it cost you to buy it. The contents in it retailed value for $94. Now, when I placed my order, it was, of course, $45. And then I always use Glam 15 to save money, because we all need to be saving our money, guys. Do not ever pay full price for something. There are lots of coupons. There are lots of codes. Spend your money wisely. So when I used my discount, that took off $6.75, which brought my total to $38.25. After taxes and all, it was $44.24 for $94 worth of value. So Thank you for watching the video. I greatly appreciate it. Since I do already own the donut palette, we are going to have a giveaway in this video. I am going to be giving away this donut palette to one of y'all. I do want you to comment down below. Let me know what your favorite donut is. I can tell you that mine is a maple long john with bacon on top and a chocolate milk. That is my perfect donut breakfast. I'm not much of a sweet eater, but when I want sweets, donuts is usually how I go, and there's nothing that beats the maple bar added bacon on top. Even if you have to bring it home and do your own bacon, I'm telling you, try it. Let me know what you think about it. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite donut is. Let me know what you think about the box. And that's it, guys. If you're new here, please do think about hitting the subscribe button. It really does help my channel out. Please do give me a like. If you like donuts and you like Glamlite, like this video. If you don't, give it a dislike. Either way, it shows me that you are paying attention. So that's it, guys. That is my video. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I love you.